The sun beat down on the arid landscape of Colima, Mexico, as the construction of Casa Hilca began. Frenna Arquitectos, the visionary architects behind this project, sought to create a home that would not only blend seamlessly with its surroundings, but also provide a sanctuary from the intense heat. The main facade of the house is a striking composition of contrasting elements. A towering stone wall, sourced from the nearby Colima volcanoes, stands as a sentinel, its rough texture and earthy tones grounding the structure. Intersecting this vertical element is a horizontal band of reinforced concrete and steel beams, a sleek and modern counterpoint to the rustic stone. A delicate wooden lattice, strategically placed, filters the sunlight, casting intricate patterns of light and shadow across the interior. Inside, the house unfolds as a series of interconnected spaces, defined by varying ceiling heights that create a sense of dynamic flow. The high ceilings and open-plan layout foster a social and inviting atmosphere, perfect for gatherings with family and friends. The heart of the home, however, is the magnificent perotta tree in the backyard. Its lush foliage provides a verdant oasis, offering respite from the heat and a constant source of visual delight. As the seasons change, the tree's appearance transforms, casting ever-shifting patterns of light and shadow across the interior. The architects carefully selected a palette of materials to achieve a harmonious balance of warmth and coolness. The stark concrete and steel, with their cool, industrial aesthetic, are juxtaposed with the warmth of natural wood and stone. This interplay of textures and tones creates a space that is both sophisticated and inviting. To mitigate the harsh climate, the architects employed several design strategies. The windows were strategically placed to avoid direct western sun exposure, and the addition of wooden lattices provides further protection from the intense heat. The tall, open spaces allow for natural ventilation, helping to keep the interior cool and comfortable. Casa Hilca is more than just a house. It is a testament to the power of thoughtful design to create a space that is both beautiful and functional. By carefully considering the local climate and cultural context, the architects have crafted a home that is not only a pleasure to behold, but also a refuge from the elements.